Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Tuesday, December 18, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by 15.25 points to 26.65.5 per contract. All in all, the futures are getting a bid this morning. We'll see if it can last. So far, every rip seems to be sold into. Yesterday, we had another big down day in the market after a Jeffrey Gundlach interview on CNBC. So again, markets are still under severe pressure, but today they're getting a little relief ahead of the opening bell. We'll see how long that can last. But in the meantime, we have stocks in the news, so let's get to it. ORCL, which is Oracle. Stock right now is trading at $47.90. Closed yesterday at $45.73. This is a good pop after earnings. If the stock gets to 50, though, I think it could be a fade opportunity. So we'll see how that plays out. But right now, Oracle's showing pretty good strength this morning. But if it gets to around that 50 and a half level, I think it could be a fade opportunity. We'll keep an eye on it there. Next up, we want to take a look at Boeing this morning, ticker symbol BA. Remember, Boeing is a big Dow component. The Dow is price cap weighted. Stock right now is trading at $324.40, closed at $316. It looks like Boeing raised their dividend, also issued a new $20 billion stock repurchase authorization. So again, this is catching a very good bid this morning. We'll see how that plays out today. Boeing right now upticking nicely, though, ahead of the opening bell. Let's take a look at NAV, which is Navistar. Stock right now is trading at $26.50, closed at $23.84. This is on the back of earnings as well. When I look at this one, I have to say it's been beaten up pretty good. So this is a nice little pop. We'll see if it can hold. I'm not seeing any levels that really interest me right off the bat here. I think there's still a lot of resistance around the $28 level. Next up, we want to take a look here at DRI, which is Darden Restaurants. This right now is trading at $102.50, closed at $98.89. So this is a nice gap higher. We'll see if it can hold. Big resistance is still a bit higher, so nothing we're going to do with this one right off the bat here. We're going to let this one play out, and we'll look at it once the opening bell rings. But Darden with a nice little pop. Let's take a look at Puma. PBYI is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $23.85, closed at $21.42. This is on positive phase 3 drug results. We'll see how that plays out. Let's go over to Xerox. This was absolutely slaughtered on a debt downgrade. Stock right now trading at $21.60, upticking a little bit. It looks like somebody's defending the name here, but I don't know if there's really a whole lot to do here. This has just been absolutely slammed yesterday, so be careful with Xerox here. Let's take a look at Steel Dynamics. I believe this is on downside guidance, STLD, and Steel Dynamics right now trading at $31.39, basically right where it closed yesterday, so no pre-market activity. AMD is in the news. AMD is going to be included in the NASDAQ 100. Stock is trading at $19.08, closed at $18.83. So I don't think there's a whole lot there. Let's take a look at ZUO. This is kind of a new issue, only been around, I guess, 6 or 7 months. But Morgan Stanley out positive on the name, and you're getting a little bit of an uptick. So I don't think there's a whole lot to do on that name either at the moment, but we'll see what this market gives us today. Either way, the market has been very volatile since Friday, extremely volatile. It's been volatile really since September, but the honest truth is you got to be on your toes in this kind of environment. If you haven't done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a great 2018. We're going to look to keep that going. Let's move over to the gold market. Gold futures today are flat, trading at $1251.80 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD this morning, that's trading at $118, closed at $117.87. Crude oil today trading lower by $1.06. That's $49.13 a barrel. So if we take a look at the old USO here, which is a good ETF to track crude, that's trading at $10.37, down from $10.45. Crude below the $50 level now. So again, crude oil remains under pressure, and we'll see what this market gives us today. This is going to be an interesting trading session. as it is the last trading week before the Christmas holiday. So we'll see what it gives us here, and we'll see where we go. Futures right now still positive by 15 points. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading session. And again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We'd love to have you with us, and you can trade right alongside of us. With that being said, everybody, have a great session. We'll see you on the charts.